Hi friends, welcome to Learning with Gotti. Today, we're going to learn about how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. This incredible change is a natural process called metamorphosis.
The journey begins with oviposition. That's when the mother butterfly carefully lays her egg on a leaf that the baby will one day eat.
Inside this tiny egg, an embryo is developing. It is a natural process of life. Inside the egg, a larva is growing. When it's ready, it eats its way out. We call this brand new caterpillar a first instar.
Its only job is to eat and grow strong.
As it grows, it gets too big for its skin. It performs ecdysis, shedding its old skin to reveal a bigger one underneath.
Now, the caterpillar builds a cozy home called a pupa, or a chrysalis. It looks like it's sleeping, but big changes are happening inside.
Inside, the body undergoes histolysis, breaking down into liquid, and then histogenesis, where it rebuilds itself into a butterfly.
Finally, it emerges as an imago, an adult butterfly. It waits for its new wings to dry and harden.
The butterfly pumps fluid through its wing veins. This wing inflation is vital to make the wings strong and flat for flight.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Learning with Gotti, created by Tiffany Holston Armstrong.